Introducing Solus, a high-resolution stereolithography printer that offers a combination of innovation, quality, and reliability you may have never dreamed possible at this price. Unlike most 3D printers, Solus uses a resin that is cured by a DLP projector. The light from the projector hardens the resin one layer at a time, allowing for XY resolutions as small as 25 microns and a Z resolution of just 1 micron, and still with build times that are up to 5 times faster than FDM or 3D laser printers. Imagine buying a car where you never have to change the oil. Our major breakthrough that sets us apart is our patent-pending peeling technology, which has eliminated the need for recoating or replacing the resin tanks, saving both time and money. Built from high-quality stainless steel components and thick laser-cut anodized aluminum, Solus is built to last. Designed with user-friendly and non-restrictive software, Solus gives you the freedom to use almost any photo resin. With its high resolution, smooth surface finish, and fast build speeds, Solus is perfect for jewelry, design, engineering, research, and medical applications. Our team has spent nearly 2 years designing and perfecting Solus. We are ready to bring this affordable, high-resolution 3D printer to the market. With your help, we can make this possible.